Hello students, let's read this problem together. The table shown below represents X, the hours worked, by Mr. Lopez and the money earned Y. So we can see here worked, hours, and money earned. What is the constant of proportionality in dollars per hour? What is the constant of proportionality in dollars per hour? So once again, we see constant of proportionality. As soon as I see constant of proportionality, I can look at my 7th grade reference chart, my math chart, right? So I'm going to see constant of proportionality. And I'm going to see this equation right here. Okay? And so when we are talking about constant of proportionality, it is a ratio of two proportional quantities, x and y, and they're usually written as y equals kx, a linear relationship where k is the factor of proportionality. In this case, we are looking for k. So we're going to go ahead and use our equation k equals y over x, the ratio of y to x. So as we can see here, and we color coded, x is the hours worked, so this column is x, and y is the money earned, so this column is y. So since they are already telling me that this is proportional, that means that I just need to pick one point. I can pick any point I want on a table. So in a table, we're going to have multiple points to choose from. In a story problem like the one we did last time, they just gave us one set of numbers. But here we have many sets to pick from. I'm just going to pick one. Usually, to make my math a little simpler, I will go with the lowest number. So 3 and 37.50. Remember that I want y on top. Don't get confused, okay? So x is first and y is second in our table, but we want y on top and x in the bottom. So when we write this, we're going to take our y value that we chose, 37.50, over the x value that we chose, 3. Okay, so now what we have to do is simplify that by dividing. So I'm going to work that out over here. 37.50 divided by 3. There's no decimal in the divisor, so the decimal in the dividend comes straight up. 3 goes into 3 one time because 3 times 1 is 3. I'm going to bring down my 7. 3 goes into 7 two times because 3 times 2 is 6. If I subtract, I have 1 left over. Bring down my 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times because 5 times 3 is 15. Bring down that last 0. 3 goes into 0 0 times. And I am done. So when I divide 37.50 by 3, I get 12.50. Remember that y was the dollars earned, so this was dollars and this was hours. And that's how we have dollars per hour, $12.50 per hour. So this is our constant of proportionality. In other words, this is our rate of change or our unit rate. So Mr. Lopez is earning $12.50 per hour. So C. So if I look at this table, I want to consider y equals kx. So that means that y, this value right here, we are getting it by multiplying 1250, which was our constant of proportionality, times our x value. So 3 times 1250 gives us 3750. 5 times 1250 gives us 6250. 7 times 1250 gives us 8750. 9 times 1250 gives us 11250. So that's what this means. K is our constant. It is the amount that is being earned for every hour, and we can use it to make this table and to continue this table and to figure out any number of hours and how much the dollars would be earned for those amount of hours. So once again, constant of proportionality, we solved it with K equals y over x. And for this table, the constant of proportionality is $12.50 per hour.